Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm staying in a hotel at the moment, and I came up to the rooftop as I often do if I'm staying in a hotel or in an apartment, and I often find they're great places to get fantastic workouts in. So I've just done a bunch of squats. You don't need a gym for that. I did a bunch of dips up here on the stairwell using the rails. And now I looked around for some perfect places to do pull-ups from. Here, it's angle iron, so it's not too easy to grip. But I found a bar, just like this, and I'm gonna place it across here. And now I've got a perfect place to do pull-ups and chin-ups from. Got some fancy footwear on today. These were in the hotel bathroom. Anyways, here we go. No excuses wherever we are that we cannot get a good workout in. With some body weight squats, some pull-ups, if you have access to something to hang from. If I didn't have this pull-up bar, I would simply use the wall. The only limitation is our imagination, our creativity. Look around, you can use so many objects to use for getting great workouts in. All right, see you guys again soon, hopefully.